Make searching common phrases easier with this Google Chrome search hack. Hi, I'm Larry, the Impatient Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a handy shortcut for anything you tend to search for frequently in your Chrome browser. It also works in Edge as well. Here's an example. I frequently use the Bamboo Slicer because I have Bamboo Lab printers, 3D printers. And instead of trying to type that every single time, I've created a shortcut, well, actually a custom search engine that fills that in for me and then just tacks on whatever I'm looking for at the end of the search. Let me show you what I mean. Suppose I want to search for Bamboo Slicer vase mode. Well, there you go. But now, with my shortcut, I could have just as easily done B, and there you see it says search Bamboo Slicer, and then I just have to type vase mode. Much easier. So let's make another one. Let me show you how. Another phrase I use often when I'm searching is Home Assistant. And that's quite a few letters to type. So let's make a shortcut for that. First thing you want to do is type in just a regular search. So Home Assistant Automation. And what we're interested in is the resulting query that's in the search bar. Now, it has all kinds of scary stuff in it, but don't worry about that. You only need the first part of it. The google.com, !Q, query equals home plus assistant plus automation. Everything after that, we don't care about. That's all stuff for Google, including the ampersand there. So we can just select the rest of it and get rid of it. Keep that there. Let's open a new tab. And what we want to do is you can type this in, and I'll have that down in the description below. And that's probably the easiest way, but you can also just say manage search engines, and then you'll get this little box that you have to click. Same thing. So you want to come down to site search, and we're going to add one. And the name is anything you want. I'll just call it Home Assistant. The shortcut, that's going to be what you type every single time you want to use it. Let's just put H. Why not? The URL comes from the previous search without all that extra junk. Put that in there, and the word that you want to be able to replace every single time, we're going to replace that with %S. Probably stands for search. So it's google.com search query equals home plus assistant plus whatever you type in after that. And then we click add. And that's it. It's done. Let's try it out. Let's go to a new tab, type H, space or tab, and now it says search Home Assistant Automation. Ta-da! You're welcome. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If so, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos from the Impatient Maker, learning the hard way so you don't have to.